welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what is in my Esthetician beauty school kit right here, you guys. For those who are entering beauty school or would like to join beauty school, you know, you can have an idea. Also, I want to give out a disclaimer that each school is different. You may receive more or less than what you see in other people's kits here on YouTube. This is actually pretty much my first time opening my kit, so we're going to learn together. But before we get into the kit, you obviously get your school textbook. We're learning out of the My Lady Standard Fundamentals textbook by Gerson. It's a Cengage learning book as well. You could do your work online, which we do at my beauty school, and you also get your workbook, which is vital in order to retain what you are learning in esthetician school. And I'm going to have a video as well for you guys on how I study as an esthetician student as well, but you obviously get your books when you start school. And these two pockets right here, it's obviously not nothing up in there, so I'm not going to open that. So it looks like this when you open it. You have this little small carrier with products go in, but I haven't received my school products yet. They're still being ordered, so I don't have anything in that yet, but I will be showing you guys what products my school give us in another video. But this is the inside of my kit. First thing we have is this Scalp Master Cherry Cloth Spa Wrap. It's the thing you put on when you are getting serviced. We have that. We have a silicone bowl right here. Also get this little box. It's just a Sterlite box. I don't know what we're going to put in here because we do have to make our own state board class kit. You get a mannequin head. I'm actually filming on an iPhone 8 Plus and it doesn't adjust and whatever, but we also get this goes on your mannequin, so you can stick your mannequin to something. This is actually my third mannequin. I did take like a lash course before, so I do have a mannequin. And then next we have some gloves. They're clear and they are powder free, so latex free, which is great because I'm allergic to latex, so that's also good. I have another little traveling pouch right here for stuff. We have a makeup palette, which is really dope, you guys. It says Alexis Lauren on here, LASE Cosmetics. I don't wear makeup, so I don't know much about makeup, but in school they're going to show us the basics, which is cool because I don't know anything about makeup, you guys. In school they're going to show us the basics, which is cool because I don't know anything about makeup, you guys. This is how the makeup palette look, and I think this is concealer. Don't quote me on that because I don't know. And then we have the eyeshadows and stuff right here, so you get that as well because we do learn the basics of makeup, you guys. My 3-year-old was actually really excited about this because my mom buys her like the kitty makeup, and she's like, oh my god, mom, you have makeup. You have makeup in here. I know the cosmetology students at my school, they have more elaborate kits, but the cosmetology program at my school is more expensive. It's about $10,000 more than the aesthetics program. It's like Aveda, which I was going to go to, but it didn't work with my schedule. Have really elaborate kits, and they also give you iPads. Just when you guys are doing your research, you know, if you really care about the kit. I don't, because you know I already do like nails and stuff like that, so I already have stuff, so I don't really care about the kit. And then we get this shoe box right here. These are shoe boxes. I have these with shoes in them, and I also have products in mine, like for my business. And so up in here we get a mirror, which is cool. I already have a mirror. Like I said, I did practice eyelash extensions but I don't really like that. I really love waxing, so waxing is my thing. And then we have some eyelashes, you guys, and we have adhesive. We have 2 clear adhesives, lash remover, and some fake eyelashes. And we have more makeup here, you guys, and this is something I did see and I was just like, I'll have to probably buy myself some foundation. But we have a sharpener, have 2 lip liners, 1 red and 1 black, have some mascara, some red lipstick, I think this is blush. Yeah, this is blush. We have also some translucent powder. I think that is to set your makeup. And then we have liquid foundation, you guys. That is what's in this package. Then we have a first aid kit, an eyelash, I don't know what you call these, but I think they to curl your eyelashes. Then we have this, you guys. I don't know if it's like to mix makeup or what, but we have this as well. We have a bunch of bottles and a spray bottle, which when I set up my kit to do, I think it's called practical, I have to label these and put products in these in order to practice my stuff at school. And then I have to get another set of these from like the Dollar Tree or something to put like my products that I get from school in there to use at school, because they told us not to bring our big bottles to school. And then right here we just have our last things, which is, it looks like tools for like extraction. So we have some lip brushes. So these are the lip brushes that we have. We have scissors. I have a ton of scissors already because, like I said, I already waxed myself at home, so I have a lot of this stuff already. We have tweezers, like to pull out ingrown hairs and to like tweeze the eyebrows. And then we have a Comedone double extractor right here, which I have a lot of these because you can get these from Dollar Tree. Then we have mascara brushes or eyelash extension brushes. I know we get these when we get our lashes done. Well, when I get my lashes done, I do use these to like help mold and stuff. And the last thing we have is some eyeshadow, disposable eyeshadow brushes. That is pretty much what is in my kit. I do have a list of stuff that I do have to buy outside of the kit. That is pretty much all for my what's in my kit video. Remember that everyone gets different stuff. Some people get more, some people get less. But I really like my kit. The only thing I really didn't like is that foundation. And everything else I pretty much have at home already, so I'm gonna go off the list and see like what do I have to buy and what I already have, and I'll make a video on that as well. Also show you guys my products that I get from school. We're gonna get 2 different lines, one for dry skin, one for oily skin. I pretty much have combination skin and stuff don't really break me out like that, so I'll be showing you guys my products as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I had like some lightning issues, but I am filming off an iPhone 8 Plus. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you're in esthetician school as well. And I'll see you guys on Mondays, because Mondays is the days that I post my aesthetic school vlog. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Flexing on my exes and my Model X, pretty little skinny little bitty body.